Sarah, a 28-year-old marketing professional, had always been diligent about saving money. For years, she carefully budgeted, invested a portion of her salary, and avoided unnecessary expenses. Recently, she hit a significant milestone. Her net worth crossed the $100,000 mark. To her surprise, after reaching this milestone, she noticed her financial growth speeding up. Her investments were growing faster, and she found herself with more opportunities to build wealth than ever before. This phenomenon isn't unique to Sarah. Many people experience a sudden acceleration in their net worth after they hit the $100,000 mark. But why does this happen? Why does $100,000 seem to be a tipping point for financial growth? In this video, we will explore the reasons behind this financial surge. We'll also delve into the psychological boost that comes with hitting such a milestone and how it can change one's approach to saving and investing. By understanding these factors, you'll see why reaching $100,000 is more than just a number. It's a gateway to faster and more substantial wealth accumulation. Number 1. The magic of the $100,000 milestone. Reaching $100,000 in net worth is a big deal. Historically, this amount has been seen as a significant milestone, marking a solid step towards financial independence. For many, it's the first time they feel like they have real financial security. Psychologically, hitting $100,000 gives a huge boost. It's proof that careful saving and investing pays off. This boost often increases confidence, encouraging people to invest more and spend wisely. They start to believe that bigger financial goals are within reach. Crossing the $100,000 line also changes behavior. People become more strategic with their money. They might start to pay more attention to their investments, seeking better returns. They may also become more disciplined, setting up automatic savings plans and sticking to budgets more strictly. This milestone often inspires a deeper commitment to financial planning. People might start exploring more complex investment options and consider seeking advice from financial experts. The $100,000 mark isn't just about the money. It's about the shift in mindset and habits that pave the way for greater financial growth. In short, reaching $100,000 can be the spark that lights the fire for faster wealth accumulation. Number 2. Compounding interest and investment growth. Compounding interest is a powerful tool for growing wealth. It means you earn interest not only on your initial investment, but also on the interest that accumulates over time. The larger your investment, the more significant the impact of compounding. Imagine you invest $10,000 at an interest rate of 5% per year. After 1 year, you'll have $10,500. The next year, you earn interest on $10,500, not just the original $10,000. This cycle continues, with your money growing faster each year. When your net worth hits $100,000, the effects of compounding become more noticeable. With $100,000 invested at the same 5%, you earn $5,000 in the first year. The following year, you earn interest on $105,000, resulting in even more growth. This snowball effect makes your wealth grow faster as time goes on. A case study shows this clearly. Let's say someone invests $100,000 at 7% annual return. In 10 years, their investment grows to nearly $200,000 thanks to compounding. Financial experts agree that reaching $100,000 can turbocharge your investment growth, making it easier to build wealth quickly. In essence, the more you have invested, the more powerful compounding becomes, helping your net worth skyrocket after reaching that $100,000 milestone. Number 3. Increased access to better investment opportunities. Reaching a net worth of $100,000 opens doors to better investment opportunities. With more money to invest, you can access financial products and opportunities that were previously out of reach. For instance, certain index funds and mutual funds have minimum investment requirements. These funds often offer higher returns and lower fees. When you have $100,000, you can easily meet these minimums and start benefiting from these better options. Moreover, with more money, you can diversify your investments. Diversification means spreading your money across different types of investments to reduce risk. You might invest in stocks, bonds, real estate, and even private equity. This strategy can lead to more stable and higher returns over time. Another advantage is the ability to take on calculated risks. Higher net worth individuals can afford to invest in opportunities that might be riskier but offer higher potential returns. For example, investing in startups or new technologies can be very profitable, though they come with higher risks. Additionally, many financial advisors and wealth management services become available to those with $100,000 or more. These professionals can provide personalized advice and access to exclusive investment opportunities, helping you grow your wealth even faster. In short, reaching $100,000 allows you to access better investment opportunities, diversify your portfolio, and take advantage of professional financial services, all of which contribute to accelerated wealth growth. Number 4. Network and social capital. Reaching a $100,000 net worth not only boosts your finances, but also your social and professional network. With more money, you often meet other successful individuals, creating valuable connections that can further enhance your financial growth. Building a financial network means interacting with people who have similar or greater financial success. These connections can offer advice, share investment opportunities, and provide support. Being part of such a network helps you learn from others' experiences and make smarter financial decisions. Social capital is the value you gain from your relationships. When you connect with financially savvy individuals, you tap into their knowledge and resources. For example, a friend might introduce you to a lucrative investment opportunity or a trusted financial advisor. Real-life examples show the power of these connections. Consider John, who reached $100,000 in net worth and joined an investment club. Through this club, he met seasoned investors who taught him advanced investment strategies. These new strategies helped John grow his net worth even faster. Moreover, networking can lead to business opportunities. You might partner with someone on a new venture or get a job offer with a higher salary. These opportunities can significantly boost your financial standing. In conclusion, reaching $100,000 enhances your network and social capital, providing access to valuable connections, knowledge, and opportunities that can accelerate your financial growth. Number 5. The role of financial literacy. Financial literacy plays a crucial role in growing your net worth, especially after reaching $100,000. Financial literacy means understanding how money works, including saving, investing, and managing debt. The more you know about these topics, the better you can grow your wealth. When you reach $100,000, your financial knowledge often increases. You start to learn more about different types of investments, like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This knowledge helps you make smarter choices about where to put your money. Improved financial literacy also means you understand the importance of diversifying your investments. Instead of putting all your money in one place, you spread it out to reduce risk. You learn to balance safe investments with riskier ones that offer higher returns. Continuous education is key. Reading books, taking courses, and following financial news can keep you informed about the best ways to manage and grow your money. Many resources are available to help improve your financial literacy. Books like Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki or The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham are great starting points. Financial literacy also includes knowing how to manage debt wisely. Understanding good versus bad debt and how to use debt to your advantage can further boost your net worth. In summary, financial literacy empowers you to make better financial decisions, diversify investments, and manage debt effectively, all of which contribute to faster wealth growth after reaching $100,000. Number 6. Strategic use of debt. Using debt wisely can help you grow your net worth faster, especially after reaching $100,000. Debt isn't always bad. When used strategically, it can be a powerful tool to build wealth. First, it's important to understand the difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debt is money borrowed to invest in something that will grow in value over time. Examples include mortgages for real estate or student loans for education. These types of debt can lead to higher income or increased asset value. Bad debt, on the other hand, is used for things that don't increase in value, like high-interest credit card debt used for everyday expenses. When you have a higher net worth, you can use good debt to make smart investments. For instance, you might take out a mortgage to buy a rental property. The rental income can cover the mortgage payments and provide extra income. Over time, the property's value may also increase, boosting your net worth. Another example is using a business loan to start or expand a business. If the business grows and becomes profitable, the returns can far exceed the cost of the loan, significantly increasing your wealth. Managing debt effectively is also crucial. Keeping interest rates low and making timely payments helps maintain a good credit score, making it easier to get favorable loan terms in the future. In conclusion, strategically using good debt to invest in assets that grow in value can accelerate your financial growth. Understanding and managing debt wisely ensures that it works for you, not against you, in building your net worth. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.